Good morning, students. Welcome to online class. Hope you are keeping well by the grace of God. So students, today I am going to teach you social science and the segment is political science from your NCERT book, chapter number 4, and the topic is gender, religion and caste. So it is very simple that what do you understand by gender or what is called gender. So gender is a form of hierarchical social division which is present everywhere, all over the world. There are two genders, male and female. So after that, the next step is that we have to understand that in these two categories or in these two genders, what is the status of these two genders? First of all, male sex and female sex. Is there any discrimination between male and female? Biologically, there is a vast difference between male and female. I am not talking about the heart, lungs and kidneys. I am talking about biologically, that means the structure between male and female. So first of all, there are some inequality or public or private division of labor in genders. What is public or private divisions? That means that inequality of sex, men and women, always society of the world, I am talking about the society of the world, gives first preference to men and then comes the women, or male then comes the female. After that, division of labor, in the case of division of labor also, many countries of the world, I am not talking about India only, many countries of the world, female, they work surplus, but surplus they are working, but they are paid less than male. This inequality or this discrimination, it is visible in many countries of the world. After the division of wage, that is also one of the factors. Wage difference is also there. Female, they are working the same work in any concern, whether those are mills, factories or any sector, primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector, wherever they are working. But it has been noticed that there is wage division also. I am talking about the public sector, I am talking about the private sector, I am not talking about entirely the government sector. Wage division also. So this discrimination or these kinds of divisions, those are quite visible in the society of the modern world, the entire world. And this is a mindset of the male. This is a mindset of the male that women, they are born to work inside, or female or women, they are born to work inside, that means inside the home. Female, they are born to work the household work. They are to manage the family, they are to look after their children. And other side, the male, they will always overpower the female and they will always rule or regulate the family or other female members of the family. This is the mindset that male are not to do the domestic work. But I am not saying that it is totally or 100% true. Many male members or many men they do help the female in the family. They do domestic work also, but that quantity is quite less, especially in our country or some other countries. Those temperament match with India or Indian society. So female, they are to look after their children, they are to look after their family, they have to do the domestic work, and female should stay inside. This is the mindset of the men. Since centuries, during French Revolution, the same scenario, it was visible in France. During that time, before French Revolution also, it was more fatal. In the medieval age, in the medieval period, the status of female or status of women, that was more fatal than the 18th century. So now gradually the scenario, it has been changed or it is changing. Gradually the scenario is changing.